slip and stumble by as I'm standing still alive here at the mast is where I stand, and the ocean spits and shakes, the cold water stings and aches. Still I carry on, though I know the seas will claim me, as I am raised up, the phoenix and rising. The baggage weighs down, I guess every ship has got its own burdens. Through the elation and the shame, the boat takes each wave the same. It holds its course and moves on with the gust of wind. Yeah, and somewhere deep inside there is a hope I can't describe. It goads me on and tells me I am of water. Every boat will break, we all drown upon the seas. Our lives ever clasp with all they yearn, at last freed in the glowing dawn, as I am raised up, a phoenix and rising. The baggage weighs down, I guess every ship has got its own, as I am raised up, the phoenix and rises. The baggage weighs down, I guess a good ship doesn't count in burdens.